Minista wa Kithomo EZEKIEL MACHOGU tuko ya narua na atumiretie Mpumi Cia Kcse kuringana na Mpumi Cia NTHKA nibonekete gutongeria bo kadha na kuthithia bo bwega ikiringithanwa na NABO ni aria aritwa 1,146 bari na A plane kirebo 875 bari NTHKA nabo are bari 271. Mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Anthony Kathenya na gutwambariria cio ciege Mpumi Cia Kcse ya mwaka 2022.
MWAKA kwa bimya kathomba nyuma ya kurikia kigeranio enda rutoba kirathi gia form 4 mwaka muthiru nibanenkeretwe Mpumi Cia kigero giki.
It's now my humble duty and pleasure to invite the Cabinet Secretary to address the nation and be able to do that which he must do today.
Kulinga na waziri wa Kithomo EZEKIEL MACHOGU warutobala bathithire kiro giki gia KCSE mwaka muthiru balingiri 881 416 na kiri arutwa baba rutwa ngiri 443 644 bali arume na bwaire tu balingiri 837 na jere. Kele arutwa baba bala bathithire kiro giki arutwa ngiri 146 nibaumbire kugwata grade ya A na mbeno ikiongerekaga kuma kile mwaka wa 2021 ile yalingiri 138. Kire kigeranio giki arutwa ngiri 173 345 nibaumbite kugwata NTHKA University ya C+ arutwa ngiri 522 548 bakigwataga grade ya D+ na bwaruta balaba gwete grade ya E bakimanaga kuma Mpumi Cia kigero kia ukabere mpaka ngiri 420 na jere.
This clearly leads us to conclude that most of the candidates scored grades of higher quality.
Mpumi ngi kile kigero giki kia mwaka muthiru ile ligaritia ntubaingi ni ja grade ya A arutwa barume 875 bakigwataga grade ya A airitu nabo 271 bakigwataga grade yoine ya A. Mutindo taojo kema na gogu mpaka kire grade ya C+, airitu bakionekanaga kuthithia wega kire grade ya C, C-, D+, D na D-.
A, female, we have 271 getting an A. Male, we have 875. A-, 1,962 female. Male, 4,445, which means that the male in this particular category have done better, and I hope going forward the female will also be able to improve so that at least we have some kind of balance. C-, again, female 62,599, male 56,469. Again here, female have done better than men. E, female, we have 12,760.
Kuumane na Mpumi no leo MACHOGU na utiskuruja University na TVET kutigera ni kumenya na ambe arutobalaba kuendekana kiri skuru ino.
I therefore direct the Kenya Universities and the Colleges Central Placement Service to move with speed and establish the number of places available in our universities, colleges, and the TVET institutions to enable the immediate commencement of the placement exercise. And as I'm going to say shortly, the numbers that we have this year for university, I think all our public universities will be able to get enough students as well as our private universities. And we also have a good number that our TVET institutions will be able to admit.
Nyuma ya waziri MACHOGU gutangasa Mpumi Cia kigero kia mwaka muthiru ni arithitie ati thirikari igatigirana baba bonde bala bathithire kigero kia mwaka muthiru bagutonya kire skuru mwanya mwanya jithiro J University amwe na skuru Cia TVET.
Finally, on this point, I declare that all the candidates who sat the KCSE examination in 2022 have already avenues to progress to other levels of education as we seek to leave no runner behind in career development. All these candidates have a destiny, and the government is determined to clear the path for them to reach that destiny.
MWAKA D+ no qualify kwa police. MWAKA C+ bakathige TVETA colleges na kulingana na maundu mara president wetu akwenda kurutha to industrialize the country. Nitukunindi antu baingi muno bena technical skills. Koguo muntu uria utega qualify kwa university ora na C+ na kwimana. Antu bau ni batonye in the TVETA colleges baro the courses ira ikaomba gutethia ndino ku industrialize.
Kuma muji munene wa Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.